In this video, we'll walk through how easy it is to get pre-qualified and then apply for a loan. To get started, click on the link to pre-qualify for financing. Your service provider will send it to you via email or text message. Next, enter your mobile number so we can text you a 4-digit verification code. The application will ask you to enter in some basic information, including your name, email, and address. Congratulations! You're pre-qualified for up to $10,000. You'll notice that the default amount is $500. In order to see your estimated offers, enter the amount you need, which in this case is $2,400. Remember that with pre-qualification, you can see how much you're approved for without impacting your credit score and review your loan offers in advance of making a decision. When you're ready to apply for a loan, your service provider will send you a link. Re-enter your mobile number to initiate the application. Wisetack will text you another 4-digit verification code. Click Continue to scroll through your options and select the one that best fits your budget. Next, you'll review and accept the terms. And finally, when the service is complete, you'll confirm to release payment. And that's it! We'll send the funds to the merchant, and you will log into your Wisetack account to pay over time.